Okay, I'm gonna show you something just kind of fun to do. Kids especially love this. This is how to make a cord with your kitchen mixer. You can crochet chains, but sometimes it's fun to just make a cord that's wrapped, and this is a really fast way to do it using a kitchen mixer. So what you want to do first is measure out enough yarn that it is 5 times the finished cord length you want. So I've done that here. You only need 1 beater on your mixer, and you just loop 1 end through. Just 1 end through, 1 beater. And then you tie these ends in a knot. So what you have is a loop, and I'm going to do it as a slip knot so I can undo it at the other end. And then you've got 1 loop running right through the mixer. And then you have someone come and turn the mixer on for you. Holding this taut, and at the low, turn it on low. And you hold this taut as it spins and spins and spins. And once it starts to kind of jump, as you pull it back and forth, you'll see it start to get so tight that it starts to jump. Have your assistant turn. Yeah, I think we're ready to turn the mixer off. Then place your finger in what you think is sort of the halfway point and bring the ends together and then let go. And you see how it totally twists up on itself. Now you're going to kind of keep smoothing it until it becomes a 4-ply cord. Right to the end. There you go, look how pretty. And now you just cut this off. You can undo your slip knot that you did, and then the other end you'll have to cut that's looped around the mixer. You can cut them all flush with each other. And tie them in a knot. And you have a pretty little cord. You can wrap presents with it. Great way to keep kids busy during the holidays. They can make all the wrapping cords. And then you can also snip this end, tie that into a knot as well if you want decorative little knots at both ends. Or you can use it as a drawstring. So that's what I use it for in my Renee pattern. It's the drawstring that goes through the bottom of the sweater and ties. There you go. Fun with yarn.